In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can access or use the calendar in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the project that you wish to add a calendar view. So now, as you can see, we have different views right here for our tasks, including a list, board, a Gantt chart, a table, a timeline, and a dashboard, another dashboard right here. So let's add a calendar view. So click right here on view and then click on calendar. From here, we can customize the name of this view. And then, as you can see, there are numerous options that we can also add right here, like show week numbers, show weekends, show the subtasks, autosave if needed, a pin view, a private view, a protect view, all right here. So now, what can we do with this calendar view? As you can see, we have control whether we want it to be by days, for 4 days, a week, or a month right here. And when we click on this plus icon right here, we can directly add a task from our calendar view, which will, let's say for example, let's add a task right here. Once added, if you see and go to our list, that would be right here then reflect on your other boards. See? And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.